Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about Nikzon, an effective treatment for hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids can be very annoying, causing pain, itching, and inflammation. Nikzon is a medication that relieves these symptoms in both internal and external hemorrhoids, giving you fast and long-lasting relief. Are you wondering how Nikzon works? Well, this medication reduces inflammation and helps damaged tissues heal. It also has properties that effectively fight pain. For best results, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions exactly. Generally, the initial dose of Nikzon is 1 pill twice a day, preferably after meals. When symptoms improve, you can lower the dose to 1 pill a day to maintain results. But remember, always consult with your doctor before changing the dose. Like all medications, Nikzon can have side effects. The most common are upset stomach, nausea, and in rare cases, allergic reactions. If you notice any side effects, do not hesitate to contact your doctor immediately. It is also important to avoid Nikzon if you are allergic to any of its ingredients. In short, Nikzon is a great option for treating hemorrhoids if used correctly. Follow your doctor's instructions, pay attention to possible side effects, and consult with him or her regularly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found the information helpful. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.